Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your bank account to Binance. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth and secure connection. This guide will help you understand the verification process, how to deposit funds from your bank, and how to withdraw your earnings back to your bank account. It's a straightforward process once you know the key steps involved, making your crypto journey much easier. Before linking your bank, you must complete identity verification, often called KYC. This involves providing documents like a government-issued ID and proof of address. It's crucial for security and compliance. Also, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Always ensure your bank account name precisely matches your Binance account name to avoid any transaction delays or issues. To deposit funds, first log into your Binance account and find the Buy Crypto section. Here, you'll select your local fiat currency, like US dollars or euros. Then, choose bank transfer as your payment method. You'll enter the amount you wish to deposit, typically with a minimum of 10 units of your currency, and confirm the details. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer from your bank. Withdrawing funds back to your bank account is just as simple. Head to your wallet and select Fiat and Spot. Find the fiat currency you wish to withdraw and click Withdraw. Choose Bank Transfer as your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any minimums, often around 10 units. Double-check your bank details, then confirm the transaction to send funds to your linked account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.